Previously on From Pencil to Production.
Gonna build some suspense here.
Drum roll.
Television. The winner is, no surprise here, Quaisha.
We were missing someone today, and I don't know what happened, but what that means is that everyone is safe. So I just want to recap the prizes that you all are competing for. You are competing for a $1,000 cash prize, a fashion spread in Moda Mantra magazine, a 6-month pro subscription to the digital app Make the Dot, a digital collaborative workspace, and the mentorship with the judges, plus a special mentorship with Adire. So today is a pretty important day. Part of it is because, it's a great topic about merchandising, which Alicia is going to lead.
You only get one chance to make the first impression, right? So if you put out a floral that doesn't work, then it doesn't make sense to put out another color combo of that same one, unless you have any additional data, like a new customer who it shows that they would like that, and you have data that would show that they would like that. Then you would go after something totally different. The point is that an assortment plan is what you're trying to design into. Designers don't just get to design, not many, I should say, don't get to just design whatever they want, like 50 million of one thing and 50 million of another. It's all got to work together, because the idea is that you're trying to sell the most of what you have and that it works alongside something else. The perfect example is a twin set. A twin set is a sweater that goes underneath. You have a cardigan that goes on top. The point of the twin set is really to sell 2 items instead of 1. Once you've got the customer that works for you, then how do you sell them more things? It's getting into the rhythm of that, but you have to listen to what it is that they're saying that they want or don't want.
To Alicia's point, one of the things that was drilled into us constantly is to make your decisions about your business based on facts, not feelings. That's probably one of the hardest things as a creative, because we create and we decide, this is so cool. Oh my God, everybody's going to love it. But if they don't love it, you have to get rid of it. You can wear it if you want to, but you can't sell it. You can't keep it in the line, because if nobody's buying it, you're just making it because you want to, not because it's selling and helping to keep your business. This part, the merchandising, the numbers, the strategy, those are all things that for most creatives, it's not really our favorite thing to do, but it's a necessary thing to do. You all are going to be dressing a local celebrity, a notable person from your hometown, or someone who shares a similar cultural background that aligns with your aesthetic. You're going to be dressing them for some type of event. It could be a high profile event, it could be an award show, it could be a local something where they're getting an award for something, or they are doing a ribbon cutting. You're going to pick one iconic item from your line. Up to you if you want to do another garment, an accessory, whatever that is for you, but something that merchandises back to that iconic item. Because to Alicia's point, we want to put things that work together so that your customer is like, you know what, I want this and this.
Okay, so the person that I am designing for, her name is Catherine Brown. She is on the board of directors of Arkansas Women and Children First. So the reason that I chose Catherine is because I eventually, once I get to a point where I'm profitable, I want to eventually donate to this organization that creates safe spaces and has an emergency hotline for women and children who are victims of domestic violence. It's really important for my brand to have a piece of charitable donation. And of course, it's all about empowering women who have come through struggles, who have been discarded by society, say, and getting a second chance and re-wardrobing them to achieve their dreams. My signature piece that I designed for her that I would love her to wear is my Tasha jumpsuit. It is a poly neoprene jumpsuit with a wide leg pant, and I just would love to put this on her because, jumpsuits make us feel like superheroes, right?
Great job. Great job. All right.
My hometown hero, her name is Alexis Drew. I had the pleasure of watching Alexis grow up from the time she was a baby up until present day. She is a hometown hero because she has arranged like voting drives, Black Lives Matter walks. Her godson has Down syndrome, so she has organized walks and fundraisers for him as well. She has recently just graduated with her doctorate in occupational therapy. And the event that she is going to is the opening of her division within her mother's company, Generation Station, of opening up her own division for occupational therapy for adults. The outfit that I designed for her, the key piece is the tank top. It is it's a jersey knit, which is double layered to offer support without having to wear a bra. For me, like I said, my brand is about being comfortable and cute. I pair this with a long sleeve over with a deep V that has like a knot detail that accentuates her waist because she has a nice shape, and my line wants to accentuate the natural curves of a woman.
All right, awesome.
I decided to do Shanice. She's a celebrity stylist based out of NYC, I think Brooklyn or Queens. She styles celebrities such as A$AP Mob, A$AP Rocky, Rihanna's boyfriend / baby daddy. I chose Shanice because of her edgy, deconstructed style, and it matches my brand's aesthetic. So for this event, she would be going to the Met Gala. She will be wearing the merchandise accessory, which is a handbag. Our classic handbag that I designed, because our brand, Corey Burns, is known for its handbags. Our handbag was previously shared by Kelly Rowland on her story and worn by her.
Beautiful presentation.
I chose Lori Harvey, specifically her stylist, Ellie Caramu. We've worked together before. He used to work at as a designer for a local brand. I worked closely with him. He actually recently reached out to me about working with him to create some signature pieces for both Lori and Sierra. So the iconic piece is the millennial suit, and she's also really fun and youthful. She's 26. She has she recently launched her own skincare line. The events that I feel like she would be in would be like an industry brunch.
The local celebrity who I decided to do a collection on is this guy named Roosevelt Taylor. He is known as the Black Rose. He is a famous Harlem artist. He's been painting for years now. He's well known in artists. He's well known in Harlem, and I know him personally myself. We mentioned about collaborating a few collections together, specifically for the Black Rose collection for his upcoming art event. So with the Black Rose, I decided to put a beautiful print story for him, focusing on an ascot and also something that complements the ascot. The next product would be this pocket square. Like I did some rose silhouettes, and I put together a repeat pattern, put together some colors after I developed my color pattern.
Nice, thank you. Well, thank you everyone. Great presentations. We will have to deliberate quickly, but it's going to be kind of tough, which is a great thing, because that means that you all have made it tough for us, which means that you have all done really, really well. So we are going to have you all exit to the waiting room. We're going to have a little chat, and then when we bring you back, we're going to announce who the winner is and who will be eliminated.
She showed a picture of her at the Met, and she was like, well, she's not at the gala right now. I thought was the stylists stay in like the limo, you know, like they come up to the limo to make sure that they're great, they step out, and then that's it.
Yeah, all the stylists that I've seen, they don't look like they're really that dressed up because they're
Some of them do.
adjusted
Like
stuff.
some of them do. So like Lo Roach. Lo is he's with his person.
Is he outshining the other person? Because I love what she did, but I almost feel like, is that outfit going to outshine
And
the
her
person she
making
styles? And is there anything that you all would want to say? You know, when we say, okay, or we can say some of our favorites are, and then you can announce one person and Ruel can announce one person.
Nope.
Okay, so our top favorites were Terrence, Amber, and Quaisha. Woo-hoo! And so of those three people, the winner of tonight's challenge is Terrence. Great job.
Thank you guys. I'm honored. I'm so honored to be on this platform, and I learned so much so far. It's just the third class, and it's been phenomenal, man. Everyone is amazing. The judges, you guys are amazing. The people, the designers here I've been talking to, Amber, Adore, everyone is amazing. They've been inspiring me a lot, so I'm so grateful to be here. Thank you guys so much.
All right, so we have Adore and Jonia. So, Adore, you are safe. Jonia, you are also safe. We are not eliminating anybody tonight. Everybody really did a fabulous job, and we didn't want to have to send anybody home, presenting something that is really great. I will say that because of the 5 people, you guys were on the bottom, and we are getting closer and closer to the end of the competition. So what that basically means is that somebody is going to go home for presenting something really great. So you really are going to have to continue to bring your A game and, keep stepping it up. But for now, you are safe, and we will see you in the next challenge.
This episode on merchandising was amazing. It's always interesting to hear how the designers are interpreting the questions and assimilating the challenges based upon their current knowledge and also what they're learning. So it's getting even more exciting. Now, and I remain amazed at just how well they're taking this information, coming back with innovative ideas. And we're really getting down to the time where the separation between the winner and the person who's on the bottom has just fractions of a point, because everyone's ideas and designs and thinking is just so amazing.